What's up you guys, it's Brandon from BlazeTech here, and in today's video we're going to be doing a little experiment with the iPhone 11 Pro. So what we're going to be doing is we are going to be charging all three types of Apple charging devices. The small charger, which typically comes with your Apple Watch, which is this one here, which is 20 watts, which comes with your Apple Watch. And we're going to be testing the charger that actually comes with your phone, which is 20 watts. And last but not least, we're going to be charging with the 30 watt, which typically comes with your Apple MacBook Air or MacBook Pro. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be charging the iPhone 11 Pro with all three of these, the 12 watt, 20 watt and 30 watt chargers, and see what does the fastest, and be differentiating in times, and we're going to be taking notes as long as we do it. So with the iPhone 11 Pro, the maximum wattage that it can put out to charge or draw in, I'm not exactly sure, you might correct me, is 22.25 watt, which is actually about 25% better than the iPhone XS Max, I believe. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be timing it, and we're going to be pretty much seeing how things go. So if you want to pick up any of these, I know you can get it officially from Apple's website, but there's an affiliate link down below which is from Amazon, and if you purchase through that, I get a commission and it helps out the channel just a little bit, but totally up to you. However, I would be much appreciative if you do use that link below. So with that said, we're going to be continuing on with this video, and if you enjoy, smash like on the video, helps the algorithm, as well as subscribe, hit the notification bell to know when my next video is live, as well as check out my socials at Twitter, Instagram and Twitch. But let's go. So I just want to say quickly that this iPhone 11 Pro is dead. Like, not dead as in it doesn't work, as in it's dead to the point where it just like even pressing power button, it won't turn on. It's flat. So we're going to be charging all of them from flat to 100%. I'm not going to touch it, I'm not going to use it because I have my iPhone 12 thankfully, and we're going to see how it goes. So for writing stuff down, we're going to be using the Apple timer on my iPhone 12, and we're going to be just writing it down in GoodNotes on my iPad, or I'll just put it in Notion. So let's go. As well as we are going to be using the lightning cable if it will focus, but as for the 12 watt version, we are going to be using the USB end because, well, that's pretty much how that works, and we're going to be timing them. So let's go. So it's simple, bada bang, bada boom, we're going to start charging. So we got a timer on the right, and we got the totally flat iPhone 11 Pro, and this is the 12 watt charger I'm gonna plug in. If I can get it with one hand, that'd be nice. Now it's in. So we're just gonna start our timer. So it's a little bit late, but we're gonna see how long this takes, and I am going to unlock the phone. And I'm going to leave the phone locked. I'm going to turn off Wi-Fi and mobile data, and we're just going to let it sit there, see how long it takes with the 12 watt power supply. Alrighty, so I have just come from the bathroom, and we have just hit the 100% mark at the, let's stop it here, 2 hours 41 minutes and 17 seconds. I'm going to put this down in my notes, and I'll put like a caption here or something like that. So now I'm going to try and drain this phone, then we'll proceed on with, then we'll go with the 20 watt power supply that you get with the actual phone. So I'm probably going to watch Netflix or something on this phone, then we'll see how it goes. But I'll be back. So since we've finished the test with the 12 watt adapter, and coming in at a final time of 2 hours 41 minutes and 17 seconds, charging the iPhone 11 Pro from pretty much dead flat until fully charged, and that was with the 12-watt adapter. So we're going to move on to the 20-watt adapter, and we're going to see how long my iPhone 11 Pro takes, and just for proof's sake, it's totally dead. Like, it's gone. So we're going to see how long that takes, going to time it, see how it compares. So let's go. So we got the iPhone 11 Pro here, and once again we have our timer, and we have the 20-watt charger right there. So I'm just gonna grab the cable, start pushing it in, and you're in. Not the most efficient way, but we are in, and start. So we're gonna see how long it takes. I'll put a timestamp caption on the screen, and we'll see how it goes. So we have just hit the 100% mark. Actually, I won't unlock it. I will close it, open it. As you can see, 100%. We'll stop this. Time is 1 hour 49 minutes and 57 seconds. So that's with the 20-watt charger. So I'll drain this once more, then we'll try with the 30-watt charger. So yeah, here we go. So today is the next day, and we are going to be finally testing the 30-watt brick for the iPhone 11 Pro. From what we can see, comparing the two adapters, the 12-watt charger and the 20-watt charger, we nearly saved an hour in time, because the 12-watt charger was 2 hours 41 minutes and 17 seconds, and the 20-watt charger was 1 hour 49 minutes and 57 seconds. So I'm going to assume that the 30-watt charger is probably going to take about 50 minutes for the iPhone 11 Pro. And once again, I managed to drain this phone yesterday while I was at work. I just played a YouTube live on it and let that run through while I was at work. So that's how you pretty much drain your phone. Just when you're at work, just play a YouTube video. Don't turn it off. But anyway, we're going to charge this up, and we're going to see how long it takes. So once again, we have the iPhone 11 Pro here, and we have the good old timer here, and I've just kind of stuck it halfway in so I don't have to struggle so much to put it in. So yeah, make sure it's in, don't do it like that, and start the timer, and we'll see how long this takes. I'm going to assume this is probably going to take about 50 minutes maximum, but we'll see. Okay, so we at 11:21 a.m. have just hit the 100% mark at 1 hour 36 minutes and 58 seconds. And that is with the 30-watt charger, as you can see from down there. I'm charging my iPhone 12 as well, so it nearly died. So we have finally concluded the observation of charging the iPhone 11 Pro, comparing it to the 12-watt, 20-watt and 30-watt versions. So once again, we'll be running through the numbers. So the 12-watt version came at 2 hours 41 minutes and 17 seconds. The 20-watt came at 1 hour 49 minutes and 57 seconds, and the 30-watt came in at 1 hour 36 minutes and 58 seconds. So comparing them, the 12-watt versus the 20-watt versus the 12-watt, you save about 58 minutes and 40 seconds. Then if you compare the 30-watt versus the 12-watt, you save 1 hour and about 5 minutes. Then if you compare the 30-watt to the 20 watt, you save about 13 minutes and 59 seconds. So that's pretty much how that is. So if you guys got any questions or anything like that, feel free to leave them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you when I can. But other than that, there's another video from BlazeTech and me, and other than that, remember to like this video as well as subscribe to the channel and tap the notification bell to know when my next video is live, as well as check out my socials at Twitter, Instagram and Twitch. And Instagram I try to post whenever I can. Twitter I'm still getting used to, and Twitch I preferably stream from Friday to Monday, about 4 hours a day, 9 AM until about 12 PM Australian Central Standard Time, Monday to Friday. But other than that, we try to upload here about 3 videos a week, and that'd be Monday, Wednesday and Friday. Other than that, we'll see you guys in the next video.